What's going on, MFA? My name is Lani, and I'm about to take you through a 10-minute shadowboxing workout. It's 4 rounds, 2 minutes each. No equipment necessary. However, if you do want a little bit more of a push, grab 1 to 2 pound dumbbells. You can hold them as you box with me. Also, grab a mat for some groundwork. All right, let's get into it. Starting with jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jack it out. Take a deep breath in. Big exhale out. All right, let's warm up. So listen, the warm up is great for obviously warming up your body, but we also want to prepare our mind for the work ahead. Getting into your zone, getting into the right mindset. All right, take it to 1s and 2s non-stop. So you're in your stance, just nice and loose, straight down the center. 1, 2, 1, 2. Your 1 is your jab, 2 is your cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Beautiful, deep breath in, big exhales out. We're just warming up, so nothing too crazy yet. Don't worry, we'll get there. Straight punches down the center. From here, we're going into high knees. In 3, 2, 1, high knees. I want your knees up, hip height. Work your arms, just like you would if you're running. Yep. Going back into our 1-2s. In 3, 2, 1, in your stance, jab cross. Deep breaths in, big exhales out. Again, we're going for 4 2-minute rounds today. 2 minutes on of shadowboxing. We're going to really hone in with the jab and the cross. One thing I want you to walk away from today is just being more confident to throw these 2 punches. All right, butt kicks. Kick your butt, heel to glutes. And then the 30 seconds in between rounds, we're just going to do some squats, some push-ups. Just keep you moving. Awesome. From here, back to our jab and cross non-stop. 1, 2. Again, this workout's for all levels. Maybe you're a beginner, absolute beginner, advanced. We can all benefit from this. Advanced, always benefit from reps. Beginner, just focus on learning a new skill and getting better and better. All right, in 5 seconds, we're going to take it to our squats in 3, 2, and 1. Breathe. Straight down, straight up. Nice. So just imagine you're sitting on a low chair, touching it, and then driving up. All right, continue to keep doing your squats for 20 seconds. In our next round, this is where we're going to start. Again, focusing on your jab and your cross. So if you're right-handed like me, you're going to take your right foot back. If you're a lefty, left foot back. Turn your torso slightly onto the corner. So your front toes in line with your back heel. Everything starts from a solid base. All right, everyone in your stance in 3, 2, 1, hands up. We're going to start with the jab. So just jab. Sticking with your lead hand is your jab. Straight down the center. Again, when you throw your jab, I want you to push off your back foot and step in with the lead foot and make it snap. As fast as you throw it is as fast as you pull it back. If one hand is offense, the other one's defense. So I want that back hand up by your chin. Gotta protect the money maker. There you go. All right, after your jab, let's just hone in on the cross. Just the cross, the number 2. So sit, bend your knees, grounded athletic stance, rotate through your shoulders, rotate through your hips. Full extension of your cross. Awesome. Again, sitting on it, rotating, driving from the ground up. All right, put it together. 1, 2. Good. Again, strong core, full extension straight down the center. One thing you're walking away from today is a solid 1, 2. 1, 2 non-stop here, just loose. One of my coaches told me once, to be advanced is to be great at the basics. So that's what we're doing today. All right, 1, 2, 1 combo. So again, it's a jab, cross, jab. What I want you to do with it is step, step, step. Take 3 steps. Put some footwork into it. Straight down the line. Now, if you're like, this is too easy, well, put a bit more intensity behind it. Go as fast and as sharp as you can. 15 seconds left of this round. Add another cross. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Ha, 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 ha. Last 10. 1, 2, 1, 2. And shake it out. Breathe. All right, grab your mat if you want, or just hit a high plank. Option to hold here, or option, take it to a mountain climber. Your choice. Plank a bit more strength base, climber a bit more cardio base. You're gonna stay there for another 15 seconds. Woo! Hands directly underneath your shoulders, core tight. In 8 seconds, you're dropping up onto your feet. In 5, you're moving in your stance. Round 3, here we go. Starting with a double jab, let's go. 1, 1. So now we're focusing on a double jab. Again, all variations of the jab and the cross. Now as you throw this, I want you to take 2 steps. As you take 2 jabs, your feet land with your shot. Straight down the line. It's like a knock, 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 knock. So it's not full extension in, full extension in. It's full extension, halfway in, full extension. All right, follow that double jab with the cross with the right hand. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Keep working. What you got to get out is what you put in. 1, 1, 2. Intermediate advanced boxes, maybe you want to add a little bit of head movement after that. Maybe you want to take an angle. Your choice. But again, jab, jab, cross. From here, we're going to add another cross. Check it out. 1, 1, 2. Reload the cross, and then throw it again. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Again, we're changing the tempos. We're getting a little saucy. We're putting a little flavor on it. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. As you throw the cross the second time, I want you to reload it. Good. Bring your elbows back to ribs, hands back to your chin. You got 20 more seconds. Keep it going. Now with your straights, I want you to turn your knuckle over. So if your thumbs were to release from your hands, your thumbs start by pointing towards you, and at the end of the punch, they point to the ground. 1, 1, 2, 2. So you can try and do that to keep you accountable. All right, last rep here. Back to squats. And breathe. Straight down, straight up. Deep breaths in, knees track your toes. Tall posture. 20 seconds. Keep squatting. Option, if you want to add it a little hop, you can add a squat jump. All right, we're going into our last final round. I know, very sad already. So check it out. This last round, you got 30 seconds straight. When I say drop, you're going to drop into a high plank. Woo, here we go. 1s and 2s non-stop. I'm going to add a little bit more along the way, but pretty much last round, every 30 seconds, I switch things up. So stay with me, stay alert. Ready? Here we go. Drop, taking it to that high plank, right back. Okay, I'm gonna come on my mat here. 1s and 2s non-stop. Stay with me. Drop. Don't think about it, just do it. Let's go. Mindset of a fighter. Drop. Drop. Now hold a plank, hold it right here. Hold, hold, hold. From here, when I say up, you're gonna jump your feet in, come into a squat jump straight back to your plank. You ready? Last push, here we go. Up. Last round, make it the best one so far. Up. I'm with you, let's keep it going. Up. Up. All right, non-stop push-ups for the next 30 seconds. Non-stop push-ups. So knees or toes. Breathe in as you lower. Exhale as you press. Just keep it going. Stay right there. 20 more seconds. And then we're going to finish off with an ab exercise for the final 30 seconds. Looking good. 10 more seconds. As many as you can, but make it good. Quality and quantity. I want it both. I want them both. 3, 2, last 30 seconds. Roll over onto your back. Hold a hollow hold. So legs off the floor, hands off the floor. Breathe. Last 20 seconds. Can you just hold it for 20 seconds? Last 20. Get a little bit uncomfortable. If you need to have a break, and then right back to it. 10 seconds here. Option to add a little flutter if you got it. We finish in 5. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Knees to your chest. Take a deep breath in. Big exhale out. Stay right there. MFA, we did it. 10 minutes. Done and dusted. Again, my name is Lani, and I'll see you on the next one.